The new Winbond W77Q NW Secure Flash Memory Series is a game-changer combining high performance, security, and reliability for modern systems. Supporting advanced quad SPI interfaces, the W77Q NW Flash memory delivers fast and efficient data transfer, ensuring high performance for demanding applications. Security is future-proof with post-quantum cryptography, protecting your systems from emerging quantum threats. This is essential for long-lasting systems like vehicles and industrial infrastructure that must remain secure for years. The W77Q Flash memory is built for reliability with built-in error correction and advanced protection mechanisms, ensuring data integrity in even the most critical operations. Supply chain protection is embedded throughout the production process, ensuring that platform authenticity can be verified at the final production stage, regardless of when or where it takes place. The W77Q Flash memory prevents unauthorized modifications with secure firmware updates and hardware-based attestation, ensuring that only trusted code is running. What's more, W77Q Flash memory devices are drop-in replacements for existing Flash, requiring no changes to hardware or software. Most security features can be enabled during production through device configuration, no software modifications needed. Winbond also provides extensive software support for customers looking to unlock the full potential of the W77 family. In conclusion, for high performance, wide flash densities, cutting-edge PQC security, reliability, and easy integration, the W77Q NW Flash Memory Series is the complete solution for a secure, connected future.